And welcome to Code&Gamology's last Fiffy Adventure Wonder Fiffy's Adventure. Took me 2 times to get the words right, but yeah, we're making part 3. Okay, let's get started. Okay, when it receives start, it's gonna repeat 10 times switch costume to the I don't know if it's got elements, but I'm gonna delete this element. Remember the last time we made elements? We're gonna delete it. And then we're gonna switch this to costume 1. It's gonna repeat 10 times, switch costume to costume 1. Repeat 10 times, go to back layer. Wait 5 seconds, show. When start's gonna hide and switch costume to costume 1. Repeat 10 times, go to back layer. When start next level, it's gonna change times next level by 1, and then next costume. When it receives game over, it's gonna hide. Okay, now that we're done, we're gonna go into a drawing party, I guess. So, remember the last time we coded our dog character? That now we're gonna draw our actual final drafts. So, what are we waiting for? We can make mountains as tall as words. I really don't like this mountains. I'm gonna undo it. You know, I'm not a very good drawer, so you should rely on scratch tools if you're bad like me. Because here, you can rely on it. It's pretty good if you were to say, okay, I guess this mountain is nice. Okay, now this looks more like a butterfly. It actually looks like a shark's mouth. Anyways, I'm bad with drawing, so don't do exactly the same thing as me. Use your creativity and your imaginations to draw something good. Now, also, I was having this idea about drawing a sun since my loading was all about a sun. And how do you do that? I'm just giving you a little tip. So this has nothing to do with drawing. So group everything together and copy. And let's move over to our blue sky and paste it. There. There, I think we're done. Let's try it. Great, that's how it works. So if you want to add anything additional content like skies or something that doesn't have to work, that is not wish like this or something, then add it onto the skies. Now when start, you can just draw these. Like, I don't have much tips for drawing because, you know, I'm the one that needs the most tips. Yeah. I need the most tips. I'm just good with coding. That's the whole idea why I started this YouTube channel anyways. So, what are we gonna do? Like, I recommend that you add some, like, challenges for the player. Like, let's say the player didn't see this teeny tiny dot of land, and then they are about to die when they just noticed this. And then they're like, yahoo, I survived! I jumped on thin air or something. Yeah, you can make them like that. Get super confused why they survived. So that's a good idea. And then you can add like possible impossibles. Like, it's possible to like one time to jump over it. Like, it's possible to get on this bowling and just bowling over it, but if you miss this, it's impossible. So if you jump over the yellow thing, it's impossible because you can't get past this. So make it like kind of impossible, but it's only possible with one thing. Or add some things as if it is impossible, so the player jumps over a cliff and then thinks they're about to fall, but they notice that there's a teeny tiny patch of land or something. Yeah, you can do that. Jump, jump, jump. So you can also add a special type of killing element, like fire or something. Really, if you think my drawing is good, this fire is not good. I think it kind of looks like, I don't know. Anyways, you can, once you have point, 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 you can have the words slowly go through. Once you have the main word, see our main word is hop on and join me to my adventure. You can copy and paste that. See, we have a really messy situation right now. And then you can hop on and join me to my adventure. It can be a double word. You see, it's kind of a full word. I like it better this way, but yeah. Okay, bye, and thank you for watching. So you're thinking this is too quick, right? And it's pretty useless to watch, right? But actually, what I'm telling you, you can draw these backdrops any way you want. So just finish this game quickly. It doesn't take a while to draw unless you're like a sketch artist and you have to sketch everything and then draw everything on this computer. That's gonna take a while, but with Scratch tools, you can get things done in a jiffy. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.